Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing a healthy and savory waffle recipe made with sprouted mung beans. This is one of the healthiest and tastiest breakfast options you can make, and the same batter can also be used to make delicious dosas. Let's get into the recipe now. First, we need to make sprouts using mung beans. Soak the mung beans overnight. The next morning, drain the water completely. Place a wet tissue on top and cover it with a lid. Set it aside in a dark place like inside your oven. After 2 days, look at those gorgeous sprouts. Now take a blender and add 2 cups of sprouts. Store the rest in the refrigerator. I am planning to make a salad with them. To the blender, add ginger, garlic and green chilies based on your spice level. Then add a handful of curry leaves, coriander leaves and salt to taste. Blend everything into a coarse paste, not too fine, not too chunky. Add a little water while blending so we get a thick batter. Transfer the batter to a mixing bowl. Add 1 finely chopped onion, 1 grated carrot, a pinch of asafoetida, and a teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix everything well. I am adding just a little extra water by rinsing the blender. Check the salt and adjust if needed. Preheat your waffle maker. Grease it with a bit of butter and pour in a scoop of batter. Close the lid and cook until both sides are crisp and fully cooked. Try not to open the waffle maker in between. Only open it once the steam has stopped completely. Some cook more on one side, so adjust as needed. Continue the same process with the remaining batter. Sprouts can be eaten raw, added to salads, or turned into dosas or pancakes. Show your creativity here. No matter how you use them, they are healthy in every form. Our delicious sprouted mung beans waffles are ready. Serve them with ketchup or any chutney of your choice. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes and travel videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next one.